On this episode, we take you to Anantara Siam Bangkok for the 19th World Gourmet Festival. The World Gourmet is a week-long culinary festival where it is the best place to find Michelin star cuisine from around the world. Among the events are a series of masterclasses. Masterclass are cooking demonstration, which includes sample of the dish demonstrated and wine pairings. We specifically wanted to join this masterclass because there are two different styles of chefs. The first one is Bernard Ba, a 2 Michelin star chef from Toulouse, France. His style is very traditional. He made 2 dishes, crab and tomatoes jelly and crunchy sesame poppy. The second one was foie gras crust on scallop tartare, oysters, potato vichous. Also, they were serving Turkish coffee with Turkish delights. The second chefs were a duo, Chef Alexandra Del Favaro and Chef Oliver Piraz. They were very experimental Italian chefs with 1 Michelin star. As I said, they are very experimental. They made lentils with berry sauce instead of tomato sauce. And to make it even more interesting, they made roasted potato soup. Surprisingly, the taste of the soup reminded me of an instant noodle soup. Their second dish was fresh tagliolini, pork neck ragu, and licorice cocktail. This dish had no pork in sight, but the taste of pork was very strong. This is an either love it or hate it thing. I like it. It was delicious for me. But for some, it might be too experimental.